Hey guys, Andrew Medlem here. Now, I'm not sure about you, but when I'm building my coaching business, it's mission critical that where I invest my time, energy, and resources is in the right areas that's going to give me the desired outcome that I desire. Because time is my most valuable asset. And I want to make sure that I'm spending my time in the right areas, because if I don't, then that's ultimately going to take me a lot longer to start achieving the desired outcomes that I want, right? The goals, the dreams, the money. And the same applies for you. As you're building your business, you need to be super aware of where you're investing your time, that the energy and the activity that you're doing is producing the desired outcomes that you want. Because if it's not, then it doesn't take a rocket scientist to understand that it's not working. So inside your business, there's indicators, and there's indicators inside my business. And what I like to look at are these two indicators I'm going to share with you now. And instantly I can see that if what I'm doing isn't producing the outcome that I want, then it's not working. I need to ditch that and do something else. So let's have a look at these indicators. Well, the second indicator is what they call the lagging indicator. The first indicator is what they call the lead indicator. So a lagging indicator is like the desired outcome, right? The things that's going to grow, ultimately going to grow your business. The lead indicators are the activities or the money-making activities or income-producing activities, whichever way you want to look at it, all means the same thing. Growth activities. So let's have a look at lagging. What are lagging indicators for coaches, right? So, well, that is like, leads. How many leads are you generating on a monthly, on a weekly, on a daily basis? You need to track it. How many apps are you generating on a monthly, on a weekly, on a daily basis? So apps being application forms. How many people are applying to jump on a call with you? How many calls are you having, because the percentage from amount of applications you get to how many people actually show up on a call, there's going to be a percentage difference, right? So how many people are actually showing up on your calls? How many new clients are you enrolling from the amount of calls that you have? In fact, you can actually put a different one inside there. How many offers are you making? And then how many clients are you generating from the offers that you make? Another lagging indicator is cash in bank. How much cash is going in your bank each month, each week, every day? Now, the only thing that influences your lagging indicators are your lead indicators. So it's mission critical that what you do here is going to give you this, right? If you do something here and you're not producing these lagging indicators, then you're going to look at, well, what I'm doing here is not the right things that's actually going to put my business forward. So if you're spending time like building your website because you believe that you need a website in order to grow a business, and you're struggling to get clients and generate leads, websites typically are not lead generation. Websites typically don't bring clients through the door because people don't look at websites these days. If you're spending time looking at your logos or your design work or your colors, right? If you're spending time building your email list, if you're spending your time writing articles, if you're spending your time blogging, if you're spending your time trying to build a podcast show, if you're spending your time trying to write an Amazon bestseller, if you're can you see here? These are activities. So you've got to make sure that these activities are the right activities is actually going to influence these lagging indicators. These are the only two indicators that you need to be focusing on each and every day. Ask yourself, where I'm spending my time today, is that producing the results I want tomorrow? Because if it's not, you need to stop doing that. And what you need to do, you need to start figuring out what you need to do in order to influence the lagging indicators. And once you identify what influences these, you've literally created the opportunity to earn as much money as you desire. So I hope this has been super useful for you. This is exactly what I do for my business, and this is how I help private clients determine what works for their business. So if you would like support in you building your business, if you'd like somebody in your corner that's going to help you to identify what you need to do in order to start influencing the desired outcomes that's going to help you to grow your business quicker, easier, faster and simpler than what you're currently doing now, then reach out. Let's have a conversation. Send me a private message. Comment underneath this video. Let's have a conversation and I'll share with you exactly what you need to do in order for you to move your business forward. I'll show you the steps that you need to implement in your business to start influencing the desired outcomes that you desire in order to move forward. Now, at the end of that conversation, if we feel as though it's a fit, there could be an opportunity for us to work together inside Clients and Profits, which is my signature program. Now, at the end of that conversation, if it's not a fit, you're still going to walk away with clarity on what you need to do in order to start moving forward. Because time wasted today is also time wasted tomorrow, because what you do today is projecting on your results for tomorrow. So just think about that. Do you really have that much time on your hands that you can waste? Because I know I don't. I know I don't. So if you want help, if you want support, if you just want to have a conversation, then reach out, send me a message, comment underneath this video. I'd love to have a chat with you. I'd love to find out about your business, what you do, what your mission is, the goals that you want to start achieving in the next 30, 60, 90 days. And then hopefully I can show you that path that you need to walk on to help you to get there quicker. Andy Medlin, speak to you soon. Peace.